Hey guys, this is Spencer, and here's a quick tutorial for you if you want to make a perfect circle in Illustrator. Find your rectangle tool, click and hold, and you'll find the ellipse tool. The shortcut key for that is L. Once you have that tool, you can click and drag to start to make an oval, and if you hold shift, it's going to be a perfect circle. So that's how we get that perfect circle look, and once we have that, we can fill it in with this fill color. So we could change the color of how it's filled. And then also stroke is an outside path that we could put around it. So if we select red as the color, and then in our properties panel, we could up that stroke to something we can see like 25. So you can have a fill and a stroke on your circle. If you don't want that, you can just click the little slash right here on whichever one of these is in the front. And to make a half circle, what we're gonna do is use the shape builder tool, click and hold on the rectangle tool, and pretty quick and easy, we could just build a rectangle that locks into place there in the center and covers up half our circle. Could be the top half, left and right half, doesn't matter. See that pink line that's locking it into place? That's a smart guide. If you go up to view, down to smart guides, turn those on, it'll help you. Once we have that, we can press the selection tool, click and drag to select both. Go over to my shape builder tool. The shortcut key for that is Shift M. And as you can see, it sees all the overlapping spots. If we hold Option or Alt on PC, we can click and drag through these overlapping spots and it'll leave what's left over, which is a half circle. You want to move that down to a quarter circle, press M for that rectangle tool, create another rectangle that covers half of it. Press V for the selection tool, click and drag, select both, Shift M, and we can do the exact same thing. Hold Option or Alt, click and drag through. So there you go. That's how to make a circle, half circle, and a quarter circle.